Hello everyone, I Sally Sureshi. Today I would like to share the story of the Raman outsmart a cheat. Raman outsmart a cheat. Raman outsmart a cheat. Raman was a wise and a clever man, known for his sharp, intelligent, and the problem-solving skill. He lived in a village where people often come to come him for advice and justice. Once a day, a wealthy merchant approached Raman seeking help. The merchant was worried because he had been tricked by a cunning cheat who had stolen a large sum of money from him. The merchant explained that the cheat had been posed as a gold trader and he offered to sell him high quantity gold at a low price. Tempted by offer, the merchant gave the man a large sum of money in advance. However, the cheat disappeared with the money, leaving the merchant empty-handed. Raman listened. Uh, Raman listened the news carefully and devised a plan. He disguised himself as a rich businessman and spread the news that he was interested in buying large quantities of gold. Soon as the cheating, hearing about the wealthy buyer approaches Raman, helping to the trick him as a well. The cheat showed Raman some fake gold and demanded a huge amount of money. Pretending to be interested, Raman agreed to the bargain. However, he clearly suggested meet the local royal court to finalize the deal, claiming he wanted witness to the agreement to make the transaction trustworthy. At the court, Raman exposed the cheats, deception. The gold was tested and proven to be fake. The cheat was caught red-handed and punished by the king. The merchant got his money back, and the village prized Raman's wisdom and quick thinking. The moral of the story: cunning people may deceive others for a